Hello, 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 welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, I had no idea that I am expecting to get a package from Daphne's Diary, but okay, bring it on. So let me unwrap what she sent to me. I have still no clue at all, but it's from Daphne's Diary, so let's get in. Let's get on. I love how she always packs things. So that is so cute. I never can unpack these in one piece, but who cares? Alright, let's see what's inside. Oh my. Oh, okay. Oh my goodness. Let's check it out. Let's see if there is first a message. That's only for my eyes. I have no clue. Nope, it's not. That's cool. Alright, so here we have a nice cute card. Veil leaves. Super cute. Nothing on the back, so that's a good thing. Not a good thing, but I was expecting a little message on here, but there isn't. Alright, so I have no clue, guys. What's this? The week planner. Oh, but this is nice. Oh, I right away have something in my mind that I can make with this. Yeah, I can make a nice cover with this and then slide it in. Then I can use it. And a week planner. Oh my goodness. And then each time I can tear it out. Love this. This is super cute. Definitely. Do you remember when you make a nice small hard cover? And then you just slide a small thing open, a small pocket open, and then you just slide this in the back right here so it's settled down. And then you have a nice little week planner. Oh my goodness. Yes, love this. This is cool. And I think each page is the same. Yes, but oh my. Month, week number. Yeah, cool. That is cool. Alright, what do we have here? Christmas paper ball. Oh, is this like a workshop or something? That you can make this? Christmas. Oh, here we have. Oh, here it is. Oh. Here it is. So you cut these all out. And then there is a tutorial, a written tutorial. And then you can make this snowball. Oh my gosh, it's in English, Deutsch, Germany's, and in Dutch. Wow, that is cool. Love it. And then you can make this snowball. Paper ball, Christmas paper ball. Wow, super cool. Alright, and then, what's this? Daphne's Diary. Okay, knutselen, wonen, brokanten, tuinen. This is like a magazine. I did not know they had a magazine. Believe in the magic of Christmas. Wow. So they did a magazine too. Super nice. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Lots of ideas. Love the color combinations with the blue. Wow, this looks so fancy. Oh my gosh. I know I want this in my house. Now I really like this in my house. Oh, I like this style. Oh wow, this is amazing. Alright, and here we have a nice recipe. Oh my. Oh, there are so many nice. Oh, you can use this image. Oh, wow. Cool. And this you can use. And these you can cut out. It's different papers. It's thicker paper. And then this and this. Oh my gosh. See here? There's another little workshop inside. Oh my. That is so cool. Wow. I don't know about you, but I really like this style. More like, can you call this country style? I definitely can see that this would be in a nice farmhouse like I have. I do have a farmhouse. Not that I have any animals, but Wow. I saw this somewhere, that somebody paint. I definitely saw, maybe on Instagram or something, but I did saw this somewhere. How you can make your own fabric with plants. So cool. Alright, here we have another. Here there is also a little craft that you can do. What's this? What's this? Oh, this you can. Oh my god, these are stickers. This is a nice magazine, guys. Wow. This is definitely also from the COVID time. You definitely do not have to get bored one single day if you got such a magazine as this one. Love it! This is super cool. I was not aware that they had magazines like this. And these you can use as menus for your Christmas table. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Oh, and this goes on and on. This is cool, those Christmas little hats on your... Oh, that is amazing. Well, it keeps going. It keeps going. Oh my goodness. Oh, no way. I love these. You even can use these images in your cards or anything, but oh my gosh. I love these. I'm definitely gonna use those. So many things to do, so many things to read. I think this is a game. Yeah, a dinner game. Wow! Little snacks, something to read, journey, to travel, how to make a little cookie. This is stunning, 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 stunning. Here we have some December daily numbers, and here is also a game or something. This goes on, guys. Oh, hot chocolate. Yum, yum, yum. So nice. How I really like a hot cup of coffee. Chocolate. I don't drink coffee. That's how I keep my beauty. Now, guys, this goes on and on and on, and oh my goodness, love it. So yeah, check it out. Check out, oh my gosh, even papers. These are just design papers. Yeah, you can just glue this on some chipboard. Love it. Cute, cute, cute. And then you can make those little Christmas trees. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And what's this? What's this? This is big, 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 big. Like a big poster. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. This is endless. This really good. I definitely can relate to this. If you have somebody, a friend or an aunt or a niece or a daughter that is creative, oh my goodness, this would be the perfect Christmas gift. I definitely can tell you that. For me it was a big surprise, and oh my god, I love it. Love it. So yeah, thank you so much, Clue. This is awesome. Thank you, thank you. So please check out Daphne's Diaries and check out her magazines. Not only the agenda that she already sent me earlier this year, but the magazines are awesome, like you just saw. So check it out. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this video, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. Thank you, Daphne. An amazing gift.